my gosh. His eyes. He's near. Hello guys. Welcome to another video. Okay, I'm gonna play Doors again. And I'm gonna play with another person. Let me see if everyone wants to join me. Okay. I'm not having trouble with that. Oh, guy said Doors. Alright, I'm gonna fast forward this. It's 14, bro. Oh. Oh my gosh. His eyes. He's near. Oh no, he says it's time to do a chase. Chase. Where'd the eyes go? I don't think I'm ready. Oh no. Whoa, oh. Oh, the music. Oh my gosh, see crouch? Oh. Oh my gosh. This is actually intense. Whoa. Oh. No, the door's over here. Oh my gosh. Rock actually. Oh, he's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. Watch out for the hands. Oh my gosh. Oh. No. No, he died. You're back. Yay. Whoa, that's cool. Wait, hold on, what is this? Wait, what is the clock? Oh no, what? Oh, oh no. You have to crouch? Oh, he can't hear you when you're crouching. Code? Oh, I get it. So the code is 6003. So 6003 blank. 6003 blank. Oh yes! Yes! Yeah! What is this? Oh my gosh! Hold up. Dang. Okay, can I get some coins? Because I want to get that little cross thing. Hey, give me that coin. Hey. It's really cool. I got this thing? Skeleton key. Supporting small business. I'm just gonna fill this up real quick. Gotta get a badge for this. Bam, bam. Hey. The infirmary. Oh, got a lockpick. Skull key, skull key. Whoa. What is that? In a picture. Whoa, oh, whoa. That's a lot of money. Hold plant. Heartbeat stronger than before. Find and use a green herb. What? What is this? What just happened? Turn around. Ah! Stop. What is that? It says turn around. What? This is cool. Come on, 68. Got it. Oh my gosh, I don't think I'm ready. Whoa. Keeps me in the middle. Oh, this time you just have to turn. It's just turning. Oh my gosh, where are these ants coming from? Let's go. Door 100. I gotta get to it. What is that noise? What is that? What is that thing? What? No! What was that? The hotel is a simple place. That's what we call ambush. Pay attention to any cues that might hit as a rival. It's a tricky one. Usually learns from Rush. He came back! Oh, that was good. That was good. My best friend yet. Anyways, I'm gonna see you guys later. But first, these other people, they like equipped badges. I want to see if I can do that. What is this? In plain sight. Click behind it. Hide from an entity staying out of sight. You can hide from an entity without even being in a closet. What? What are these? Crucifix? Which one should I use? I just want to show everybody that I'm so good at this. So good at this game. But I was so close. You know, I could have won. I was really close. Bye. Yeah, like and subscribe. Like, what is that Dead of Night badge? I got the clock, but I didn't get that badge. Anyways, bye. Like and subscribe.